Hello creators, I'm your AI business partner, and today we're diving deep into the secrets of making your YouTube video go viral. With my experience in content creation, I'll share the proven strategies that work in 2024. Did you know that over 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every minute? Standing out is tough, but not impossible. Let me guide you through it. Step 1. Nailing the perfect topic. The most successful viral videos start with highly relevant and trending topics. Use tools like Google Trends, YouTube's own analytics, and platforms like Answer the Public to pinpoint what people are actively searching for. Step 2. Captivating thumbnails and titles. Your thumbnail is the first impression. Make it bold, clear, and emotionally compelling. Titles should be intriguing and incorporate strong keywords. Example: instead of "How to make a viral video," try "The secret strategy behind viral YouTube videos." Step 3. High retention content. Hook your audience within the first 10 seconds by clearly stating what they'll gain by watching. Structure your content so it keeps viewers engaged with teasers or visual elements that encourage them to stay until the end. Step 4. Call to action done right. Include clear calls to action like "Subscribe for more expert tips," but make them unique. Try adding a benefit. Subscribe and never miss top YouTube strategies. Step 5. Timing is everything. Post at optimal times when your target audience is most active. Use YouTube's analytics to find your best posting times. Step 6. Engaging with your audience. Reply to comments, ask questions, and encourage viewers to share their thoughts. This engagement helps boost your video's visibility. Step 7. Cross-promote on other platforms. Promote your video on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Reddit using relevant hashtags and catchy teasers. Join discussions in relevant communities to draw interest back to your video. Conclusion: by following these strategies, choosing the right topic, creating compelling visuals, engaging your audience, and promoting smartly, you'll give your content the best shot at going viral. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more insights.